again, Video Joe over here, pretty girl in the middle. Okay, for his next solo album, Pete Townsend will get together with the fabulous Thunderbirds. Producing the album will be none other than Nick Lowe, who's also produced the Thunderbirds' latest offering, Video Joe.
Thank you. Ever want to know all there is to know about the Beach Boys? Well, you'll have your chance at the end of the year when Good Vibrations, the story of an American band, is released in theaters nationwide. This history of the Beach Boys has been assembled by Malcolm Leo, and the man responsible for this is Elvis.
If you were offended by Diva's remake of the Rolling Stones' Satisfaction, then you probably can't wait to hear their version of Jimi Hendrix' Are You Experienced? It will be included on their 8th release entitled Shout.
She's good. I like that. Was it good for you too? 14 groups. Hey Joe, this is us. 14 groups are scheduled to appear doing a 10-day. You can hold it, Tony. This is Tony, by the way. 14 groups are scheduled to appear during a 10-day festival in Rio de Janeiro. The festival is called Rock in Rio. We'll showcase AC/DC, Def Leppard, Queen, Up a Little, Iron Maiden, The Scorpions, Ozzy Osbourne, Nina Hagen, the B-52s, the Go-Go's, Men at Work, Yes, George Benson, Aldro, and James Taylor. Joe?
I'd like to go to that.
We are going to that, Joe.
Oh, that too? Oh, my goodness. All right.